In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number to your PayPal account and make it primary. First, open your browser and go to the PayPal website, then log into your account. Once you're signed in, you should land on your PayPal dashboard, also called the account summary page. This is where you can see your balance, recent activity, and quick links. Take a moment to make sure you're on your main account view before moving on. Next, look towards the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents your account settings, usually right next to the log out option. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open your account settings area where you can manage personal details, security options, and contact information. On the settings page, look for the section that lists your contact information, including email addresses and phone numbers. Find the line that says phone numbers. To the right of that, you should see an option that says Add. Click on Add to start adding a new phone number to your account. A new page or pop-up will appear with a field where you can enter your phone number. Click into the empty field and carefully type in your phone digits. Double check you've selected the correct country code if that option is available, and make sure you enter the number without any mistakes, as this number might be used for verification and security notifications. Below or next to the phone number field, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you choose the type of phone number you're adding. Click the drop-down and select whether this is a mobile, home, or work number. If you plan to use this number for text message verification, it's best to choose mobile, assuming it's a cell phone. Once you've entered the number and selected the type, look for the button that says Add Phone Number and click it. PayPal will save this new number to your account. You might be asked to confirm it through a code sent to that phone, so follow any on-screen instructions if that appears. After the number has been successfully added, you'll see it listed with your other phone numbers. Next to this new number, there should be an option to set it as your primary. Click that option. Setting it as primary tells PayPal this is your main contact number for notifications and security, and that's it. You've now added a phone number to your PayPal account